If you're looking for a way to supplement your current income, a side hustle could be the answer. Side hustles are just that, a job you do on the side to make extra money. Perhaps you want to fulfill certain goals, like saving up for a special occasion or travel, generating capital for a new business, or making a down payment on a large purchase. Or maybe the side hustle is something you'd like to do full-time once you see if you can earn enough to leave your current job. A wide variety of side hustle opportunities exist, but you should find one that will provide the most financial benefit while fitting into your schedule. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Check out these 10 profitable side hustles that could help you make an extra $1,000 a month or more. Number 1. Become a virtual assistant. With the workforce becoming increasingly more remote, lots of big companies and high-up executives are hiring virtual assistants to outsource administrative responsibilities too. If you have the right skills, this type of part-time side hustle could be an easy way to make more money in 2022 while staying at home. Number 2. Become a part-time real estate investor. At one point in everyone's life, they've probably thought about getting involved in real estate. But for most people, it never goes farther than the dreaming stage. But if you have some money stashed away and you want to turn it into more money, real estate is still one of the best ways to do it. And the best part is that investing in real estate has now become cheaper and more passive than ever. Many companies allow investors to get started with as little as $5,000 investment. And the best part is they handle all the property management issues, so you can just sit back and collect your portion of the rent each month. Number 3. Rent out your car for extra cash. Why stop at just renting out your home with Airbnb? Why not rent out your car as well? If you don't use your car for long periods of time and you have an extra car sitting around, apps like Turo, Get Around, and Hire Car provide a platform for you to rent it out and make extra money. Number 4. Start your dropshipping business. Set up your dropshipping online store and sell products via a supplier at a low startup cost. In this dropshipping model, you provide a virtual storefront and get products sent out to your customers via your chosen supplier. The supplier stores inventory, takes care of shipment, and replaces defective products. You can set your price and shipping costs, and you're responsible for marketing your products and answering customer queries. The side hustle is great for providing insight into entrepreneurship, as you process orders and answers customer queries in the evenings and at weekends. If you find that you're good at marketing and selling products, you might want to consider turning dropshipping into a full-time online business in the future. Number 5. Become a personal chef. If you're good at cooking or baking, being a personal chef is lucrative. You can make $25 to $30 an hour for cooking a delicious meal. This is a great weekend side hustle job that will pay well after startup costs. Start off by catering school or local events and then move on to private clients. If you find wealthy clients that like you, word-of-mouth referrals will be through the roof and you will have an easy business. Number 6. Sell your services on Fiverr or Upwork. Many business owners are looking for specialized contractors, and you could be the one they choose. If you set up a profile on Fiverr or Upwork that's well keyworded, you might get some inquiries rather quickly and get jobs lined up as side hustles easily. This works for writers, software developers, graphic designers, etc. Anyone with online service can set up a profile and get started. Fiverr and some other companies will pay you $13 an hour for your services to start with, and you can earn more money as you gain experience. Number 7. Rent out a spare room. Whether you list your space on Airbnb or simply consider getting a roommate to sign a year-long lease that'll offset your mortgage, becoming a landlord is one of the most lucrative side hustle ideas out there. Number 8. Become a wedding planner. If you have the right skills and contracts, starting a wedding planning side hustle can be a lucrative business idea for 2021. Number 9. Manage a company's social media pages. If you have any experience planning Instagram content or running a Facebook page, selling your social media management skills could be a good way to earn some extra income. Number 10. Drive for Uber Eats. Delivering food via a service like Uber Eats is an easy side hustle idea for those craving a flexible schedule. So guys, that was all about today's topic. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.